LG G-Styler Boost Mobile User HD here, and today I have an unboxing for you guys. Today I have the Twisted Veins HDMI cable here. I just got this today from UPS and Amazon here. So you guys see that this is a box here. It's a really nice box, nice presentation, and all that good stuff. And so yes, see that it says Twisted Veins up. This is high-speed HDMI cable with internet, full HD, 4K, 3D ready. Includes three-foot cables there. So that's what the cables look like. If you guys could see that, I got this off of Amazon for like $7.96 for Prime shipping. So it was free shipping there, Prime. On the top, you just got the branding, and over here it just tells you what it features. It says it features free 90-degree right angle adapter, includes 3 free micro Velcro strips, 24-karat gold connectors, full braided jacket, flex neck connector. So that's pretty dope. It says made in China. Here's the back of the front. It tells you what the box contains. 3 HDMI cables, 3 foot. And you had the right angle adapter and the little straps there on the end there. Tells you that the all Twisted Veins cable feature braided outer jackets for protection and whatnot. And you can also visit their website there. It's twistedveins.com. You guys can see that. I will have a link to where you guys can buy from Amazon. I don't know if that's Amazon. I don't know if that's an Amazon code or not right there. I'm not sure, but I'll try to do something about that. You guys do the QR code crap and whatnot. Let's see how the hell you open this thing. Sorry about that, I'm doing it with one hand here. In this little bag here. Nice presentation, nice bag, and whatnot. Hang on. Sorry about that, guys. What just popped up was the wired adapter thing there. Something else too. Not sure what this is. Not sure what this is. It's probably like a cloth or something. I don't know. Probably have instructions here. No booklet thing. Tells you to visit the website at twistedveins.com. Questions, if you got questions, email them or call them. This is the thing, this is instructions. So this is instruction booklet. Take a look at that. Let me see. Alright, you got the little Velcro tie things there. And you got 3 HDMI cables. 1, 2, and 3. So I got 3 of these for $8. Not bad. They're like really nice. And I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on the TV. Just give me a second, guys. Alright, stay right there. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, now I'm back. So I just hooked up the HDMI cable to my TV here. So yeah, you guys are looking at my TV. My laptop's right there. So whatever you guys do on those laptops will show up on your TV here if you plug in the HDMI cable. So that's pretty cool. So you can do whatever you want. You watch Netflix, whatever, YouTube, whatever you do on your laptop, it will show up on your TV here. So that's cool. Yeah, if you guys want to buy this HDMI cable, check out the link below. I'll take it to Amazon. It was like $8, and it's a 3-foot cable, but you can get them in 6-foot or 25-foot cables or whatever you want. So yeah, That's pretty much it, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Make sure to follow me on Facebook and Twitter. Links to those be in the description box video. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alright, peace.